Welcome to our channel Curious Minds Study Zone।
तो आज हम डीएवी क्लास सेवेंथ सोशल साइंस के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए आज की वीडियो की शुरुआत करते हैं। सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which layer of the atmosphere enables wireless communication over the Earth's surface? So the answer is ionosphere. Which cold current flows through the west coast of South America? So the answer is Peyrup current. What is the common vegetation found in the cold deserts? In cold deserts, mosses and lichens are the common vegetation to be found. Then the fourth question, mention any two states' name through which HB gas pipeline is passing. The two states are Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. Which rivers are draining through the belts? The Orange River and Limpopo River are draining through the wells. When was the first battle of Panipat fought? It was fought in 1526 CE. Who was Sayana? Sayana was a great Sanskrit scholar. Then, eighth question. Where was Akbar's religious discussion held every Friday? It was held in the Wadat Khana. Name any two states that openly asserted their independence from the Mughal Empire. There are three states that openly asserted their independence from Mughal Empire according to class 7, and that states are the Sikhs, the Marathas and the Rajputs, also the Mysore kingdom. Give the meaning of Bhakti. Bhakti means complete submission and devotion to God. Which country did Gutenberg belong to? Gutenberg belonged to Germany. What is the function of BIS? It lays down the standards for industrial and consumer goods. In which year the right to vote was given to women in England? It was given to women in England in 1928. Define a market. A market is a place where buyers and sellers engage in the activities of buying and selling. 15. Everyone should develop a habit of reading the weather reports on daily basis. Its answer is to stay updated about weather conditions, to plan daily activities accordingly, to stay safe during extreme weather conditions. Question number 16. What are the effects of ocean currents? They regulate climate and weather patterns. They help in the formation of coastal landforms. They support marine life. What are the features of temperate grasslands? These are dominated by grasses and herbaceous plants. Low rainfall and moderate temperatures are found there. These are home to grazing animals like cattle and sheep. 16. What are the advantages of electrification of railways? Increased speed and efficiency, reduced pollution and environmental impact, improved safety and reliability. Why is the Ganga Brahmaputra region thickly populated? It is thickly populated because of the fertile soil and favorable climate, availability of water and natural resources, historical and cultural significance. Now the 20th question. Explain briefly the economic reforms of Alauddin Khilji. The economic reforms of Alauddin Khilji are centralized administration and taxation, standardization of weights and measures, encouragement of trade and commerce. 22 question. Development of architecture of Vijayanagar rulers. Construction of temples and monuments, promotion of music, dance and literature, development of a unique architectural style. What are the difficulties faced by Humayun after coming to the throne? Rebellion by nobles and governors, invasion by Sher Shah Suri, economic and administrative challenges. Main features of Maratha administration: decentralized and administration and taxation, promotion of agriculture and trade, military organization and expansion, and the best guerrilla warfare. Then the next question is explain any principle to be absorbed to regulate one's life as a true Muslim. The three principles are faith in Allah and the Prophet Muhammad, performance of daily prayers and rituals at least 5 times, and on Friday in the mosque collectively with the others, compassion and justice towards all. Question number 26. What are the powers of governor of a state? Appointing the chief minister and council of ministers, dissolving the legislative assembly, granting pardons and reprieve, arranging meetings. What are the features of consumerism? State at least three features: emphasis on buying and consuming goods and services, creation of new needs and desires, increased competition and advertising. Mention three forms of gender equality. Mention three forms of gender inequality: unequal access to education and employment, discrimination and violence against women, limited representation and participation in decision making. What are the role of government in protecting the interest of all sections of the society? Providing education, healthcare and social welfare, providing human rights and providing justice, encouraging economic growth and development. What are the problems related to ecological imbalance? Problems related to ecological imbalance are climate change and global warming, deforestation and loss of biodiversity, measures to solve them, conservation, sustainable practices, education, afforestation, and strict rules for controlling pollution. Or tropical rainforests are different from tropical deciduous forest in many ways, like tree species and density, climate and rainfall patterns, soil and nutrient availability, animal and plant diversity, human impact and conservation. Then briefly explain the uniform system of administration established by the Mughals: centralized administration and taxation, standardization of weights and measures, promotion of trade and commerce. Or factors that led to decline of Mughal Empire are weak and corrupt leadership, external invasions and wars, economic decline and bankruptcy, social and cultural stagnation, heavy burden of land revenue. Now, these are the important questions for your exams.